Hey, what's up guys? We have a package today that was sent in for review. Let's find out what's inside it. This is the Lasten 11-in-1 multi-tool spoon and fork combination. Let's find out how well this multi-tool actually works, shall we? You see, the multi-tool has a spoon, fork, wrench, and another type of wrench combination, along with a bit driver or bit holder to hold your bits. It also has a bottle opener, screwdriver, a metric ruler, and an imperial ruler. There's also, if you can't see, a carabiner on top of it that you could take off and switch for, say, paracord or a lanyard of any sort. Right now, I'm going to test the screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver that is. It's also supposedly a nail puller, but I don't have any nails to test, so you can't do that. And here is the tripod that this was tied to. It came out very easy. I don't think it'll work on this screw right here though, as that is a Phillips screw. So it works well on anything flathead, such as like a 1/4, tripod screw, or anything similar to the nature. Also, the ruler on this will probably come in really handy if you're, say, a construction worker or you have to measure out anything like painting or anything of the sort. Well, how about we go try out the eating capabilities of this, as that's the main function. And there's a funny story behind the reason I wanted this thing for review. And the story is, I was at a friend who doesn't have silverware normally. So we're always having to go to, say, Walmart or somewhere and buy the plastic silverware that he has at his Walmart. You know, the ones that cost like $1, $2, $3, depending on what brand you get. Well, now every time I go over to his house, I can say I have silverware. So let's see if this will actually hold up to that, shall we? Let's see if the fork end will hold up to holding anything. It's kind of hard. This is a big fat piece of meat though, so I don't blame it. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but it worked. As you can see, it is spiked on there by the prongs of the spork head. All in all, this is not a bad product. I think you should give it a try if you're into camping or anything of that sort, or your job requires you to have some sort of measuring tool, but you also want to bring your lunch and don't want to bring a massive load of stuff to use to do it, like a plastic fork or something like that, because I know some jobs don't allow anything metal that could be harmful to anyone. So this would be good for that. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I get more products in to review like this so that I can keep this channel going. And yeah, yeah, see you guys later.